In this video, you will learn how to place and answer calls and how to check your voicemail. To call a coworker's extension, just pick up the handset and dial the extension. To call an outside line, just dial a 10-digit phone number. To answer an incoming call, simply pick up the handset. To answer a second call while you're already on the phone, press the blinking line button. The current call will automatically be placed on hold. To return to the original call, just press the blinking line button a second time and press answer. This will automatically place the original call on hold. This is the voicemail message indicator. A red light means there's a new voicemail message waiting for you. To check your voicemail, simply press the messages button, enter your PIN, and follow the voice prompts.
You have one new message.
If this is your first time checking your voicemail, press 0 for mailbox options, to record your name or greeting, or to change your PIN.